Let these two Beyblade X battle each other, shall we? Mount them onto an electric launcher. 2 Beyblades, 2 launchers. 3, 2, 1, go! Now try to guess which one will win. But first, prepare a 12-volt motor, 2 3.7-volt lithium batteries, a rocker switch and a dual battery holder, and 1 standard launcher for Beyblade metal as well. Take that launcher apart. Remove the 3 important components. Grind this part down. There's a small hole inside. Insert it into the electric motor. You might need to apply a bit of force. It's very secure. Install the other 2 parts. Tighten the screw. Now let's move on to the next step. Connect the wires following this simple diagram. Solder them firmly. Attach them to the motor and test the rotation direction. Solder again to make it solid. Now glue the motor onto the battery holder with hot glue and do the same for the switch. Insert the 2 lithium batteries. Test to see if the machine works. Test it with a Beyblade metal. Awesome! It spins like it's about to tear the stadium apart. Now let these 2 metal Beyblades battle each other. 3, 2, 1, go! The clock Beyblade knocks out the 3-eyed demon with a KO. Let's go for the second round. It spins very powerfully, and the 3-eyed demon has stronger stamina, so it takes the win. But what about Beyblade X? Not quite right yet, but that's okay. You just need to remove the Beyblade X launcher and take its grip. Then remove the electric launcher and replace its grip with the Beyblade X grip. Now it's perfect. Let these 2 Beyblade X battle it out. Mount both onto the launcher. And 3, 2, 1. The 2 clash very fiercely, taking advantage of the acceleration rails of the stadium. But neither one gets knocked out of the arena. Victory goes to the one with stronger stamina, the yellow one. Second match, 2 different Beyblades. The yellow one gets knocked into the pit by the red one. Then the red one flies out of the stadium by itself. The red one wins because the yellow one stopped spinning before the red one flew out. The third match is between the black one and the red one. It looks like the red one dives straight into the pit. The black one takes the win. Follow the channel to watch the latest videos.